Good morning, my beloved traders. TurboOptionTrading.com. Go up to services, click on Buy Now, Pay Later page. Once you've done that, then you'll be ready to go and you can read the complete program, and then you can call me and then we'll get you in. And that will be the right thing to do. The next thing to do is to identify the SPY, the SPY. We have a big short on the SPY, and we said that it would come down. It's on the website. It's on the channel. We're at a major support level. There's a gap right here. If we break it, we're coming down here. This is the beginning of October 1. The SPY is in a downtrend. It's not in an uptrend. We've featured it throughout September. Now is the time to be paid. Let's get paid together.